Hey y'all, this is Crystal from Crafty Sides, Wreaths, and More. My friend Tara is my camera lady today. Okay, I want to show y'all some Dollar Tree goodies that's out there. It's really, really cute. Makes some really cute wreaths. This one is shaped like a flip-flop. Swan says Island Fun. It's all glittery, and it is just adorable. And guys, they have little lights that shape like swans that you can put around your wreath to make it light up. It's battery operated, and you can turn them on and off. Leave it on when you want it, turn it off when you don't, and it's so cute. And they also have palm trees. Now just look how cute that is. And my grandson's visiting us. And then I just picked some mesh that I thought would match in the colors. But you could pick, any colors. Now this is not Dollar Tree mesh. This is the good mesh. But you have to get mesh for your things. But this is just an idea. They also have the frames at the Dollar Tree. They're $1. And these are really handy for this. It's just perfect size. And I'm going to try to show y'all how to do some of these. But I just want to show you my Dollar Tree goodies today. Now, this is for the summer theme. Beach, island, flip-flops. Okay. The wreaths. Now, look what they have for the 4th of July. Y'all's may be different, but this is what's on some of mine. It's a little windmill, which the back comes off. So you could glue this on your wreath, either here and just let it turn, or you could use it for a centerpiece. Either way, it's very pretty. And also, for the center of the wreath, God Bless America, a little metal sign.
That one's real
you
pretty.
Hang that in the center. Put your mesh all around. And they also you have to have a bigger wreath. And they have others, but these are some of the things that I've picked out. And then look at this, to hang off the bottom of your wreath when your door opening closes. Bells that would jingle.
That would be neat.
Isn't that cute? Okay, and also they have the little stars for the little lights you hang on the wreath. You see?
Wow.
Hang them on there around your wreath and you'll light them up. And then it's so cute for 4th of July. With the fireworks and everything, the lights would really, really, really set things off. And then with these colors, I have, for examples, now this is not Dollar Tree mesh, this is Craft Outlet, but for examples of different mesh that they have, we have the red and white stripe, solid blue, solid red, and then the red, white, and blue, and then also have solid white. So you put all of these together, y'all look how pretty that wreath would be. And this is all Dollar Tree stuff. And y'all been wanting to know maybe some ideas on how to do things. You can use the metal. They also have wooden ones, and they also have the styrofoam ones for like the flower ones at the Dollar Tree. So these are really, really good deals. So you can make these at home and they wouldn't cost that much. And you can make several, and like for a 4th of July party. And I just want to give y'all some ideas. Going to do a live on how to make a flower wreath in just a little bit.
Yay.
Thank you, y'all. Wait a minute, I forgot something. I want to show y'all. It is not finished, but check this out, y'all. Look at my horse. That is mane. And he's even got eyelashes, y'all. Details, an eye with eyelashes. I've got to put a bridle on him, and he'll be finished. What do y'all think?
Wow,
Posting
that
it
is so cool. I like it.
Love you guys. Thank you.
I like